What's up everybody, this is Beauty in 4C and today I'm here to show you a video of how I do this beautiful Marley twists. They're a great protective style if you want like a little break from your natural hair, and you can do them yourself. I didn't know how to braid my hair and I learned this from watching YouTube videos. For this video, I'll be showing you the products I used. So my moisturizer was this Chemet Biologics Amla and Olive Oil Heavy Cream, this one. And then this Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. Those are my moisturizer and sealant. And then I used this Kinky Curly Custard for the braiding hair. You have to moisturize the hair, the braiding hair and your hair for you to get best results. And also it really helps with your it helps to keep your hair from, you know, this braiding hair is very rough, so when you're braiding it makes things smoother and seamless and protects your fingers, because if you look at my finger, it's red because from the roughness of the braids. Braiding this hair took like it took, I would say, 8 hours with breaks in between. I don't know if you can see my little test logs back here. I'm testing something out, and then you'll see the results soon. So I'll take this front two down and then I'll show you how I did them. So as you can see, the hair is moisturized, and also my hair, the braiding hair is moisturized and my hair is moisturized as well. So I don't use gel on my hair at all. I only moisturize and continue. Gel for me makes, I don't like how it feels on my hair, so I prefer just the moisturizer, and it works. It's been working well for me. But if I want to lay my edges, I usually use a mousse. I'll show you the mousse as the video goes on. So you need to like grip both sides of your hair and put the braiding hair in between, and then you hold firmly, and then you begin to twist both sides together. You have to make it firm from the base like this. You have to twist firmly. And if you feel like the braid is rough, you just add your a product of choice. For me, I'm using the custard. It really reduces frizz on the braiding hair and makes it soft. As you can see, it's soft and it's shiny. I'll also link the braiding hair down in the comments so that you can be able to try it for yourself. And the braid I'm using is 16 inches. They're almost like waist length. So when I get to the end, I use the custard so that it makes the hair lay flat, and it also enables me to braid all the way to the end. Like this. So this is one. So let's do the other one. Also, when you moisturize the braiding hair, take down process is very easy, very smooth. So it's the same process. The hair is still moisturized, but I add a little more of the custard. And then it's the same concept. You grip both your hair and the braid firmly, and once you have a firm grip on both, then you can start twisting. So if I like, I will, if I want to lay down my edges, I will use a mousse or a, sometimes I'll just spray my DIY leave-in spray and tie a scarf, and that works well for me too. So have you ever tried Marley twist before? Let me know. This will last me about 3 weeks, and they will have given me a good break on my hair, because sometimes wash days can be very exhausting and they take very long. So let me know if you've tried doing Marley twist on your own. And another thing, as you look, when you look at my hair, I don't have very crisp parts, and I don't really care much. As long as the hair is not overlapping, that's good enough. Yeah. So I'm at the end. So I'll add some of the custard. So that's it. So that's all. I'll show you a video of how I style them. I'll be putting this in a bun, and then I'll show you a video of how you can style them. So that's the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the algorithm, and I appreciate your support.